Welcome to another very exciting 3-minute auto pairing. Okay. Very quick. I'll take that F5 or something. You get the D5 square here. Bishop G5. Try and weaken his king. F6 on the cards. Okay, knight moves to E3. G5 later.
Check.
Get the D5 square. Or not. G5. On the rook. F6 is all dangerous. Oh, this discovery check. Look away from that.
Check.
Alright, friendly mate for the first time. Queen takes H6 or F6. Oh, Queen takes H6 is on the cards here, isn't it?
Check.
Okay, I'm a knight up. Yeah, I'll just take here. Taking on C5 soon. Resigns, yeah. Okay. Let's see Fast and Furious.
Check.
Yeah, I think I'll weaken his king position a bit.
Check.
Okay, G5 might be back in the game. Why didn't I just take the piece? Oh, the piece. I just take the piece. Naughty. Oh dear, okay.
Check.
Okay, I do spot this one.
Check. Check.
Okay, that's pretty okay, fun stuff. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.